Okay, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. I am your host, Mario Dakers. We have three players. Three players we're going to speak about. I could not cover all the players, people. I would try, but I just could not. So definitely tomorrow you'll see another video. Three players. Ravel Morrison's assist. Yes, not the best game, but he did put in a performance. He got an assist. Bobby Reid, Hatrick of an assist. Hatrick of an assist. And also Leon Daly assist on his debut. These are the three players that we're speaking about. We'll get a little bit into the statistics, how these guys' performance, and a formal breakdown of what they did on the day. So, guys, please remember, smash that like button, and ensure that you subscribe to the Military Gunner TV. We're going to cover all of these three Reggae Boys at this moment. Let's get straight into it. So, I'm going to start off with Ravel Morrison. No, Ravel Morrison this morning, they played an early game. early game this morning. Derby County played against Peterborough United. Now, the thing about it is that Peterborough United is a team that also entails a potential or could or can be Reggae Boy Johnson Clark Harris. Now, in all essence, I was looking out for him. He did perform. He did put in a good shift. Honestly, he did put in a good shift. I cannot doubt that. No, but let's talk about the man himself. The man now speak about Ravel Morrison. No, he was actually the highest rated player on the team, which is quite concerning for the team, I would say. If I'm a manager, I would be quite concerning. And he did not have the best game. So if he did not have the best game, how is it that he was actually the higher rated player? But let's get straight into his stats. A good assist, a lovely assist from Ravel Morrison as well. No, let's get straight into stats. 84 minutes played, 1 assist. He had a total of 55 touches, accurate passes, 38 out of 44. Finished the game with an 86 passing accuracy percentile. Key passes, two key passes, and definitely 2 long balls completed one. Attempted 1 cross, didn't go across. He made 2 shot blocks, encountered in 2 ground duels. He won one of them. 1 aerial duel, and he won that as well. He lost possession 11 times, and I think that is in the good area. He was fouled once and made 1 block shot. Now let's move away from the stats. In all essence, it was a good performance. As you guys can see from the heat map, one of the things I like about this Ravel Morrison performance is that he plays a bit significantly higher up the pitch than where he normally does. Now, it's also the fact that Derby County was pressing a little bit higher and they had more possession. But with that possession, they weren't penetrating the team enough. So you still saw Ravel Morrison coming back a bit deep to collect the ball over onto the left-hand side. As we all know, that's where he normally plays. Over onto the left-hand side and trying to progress the ball. Now, one thing I realized with Ravel Morrison is that he's given that freedom to roam all over the pitch. He was given that freedom to roll all over the pitch. So that is the reason why he had so much connective play. So literally, that's 2 games, a goal and assist. So he's actually having 100% goal contribution in his 2 games. A goal and assist. So that's two goal contribution in 2 games. So that is good. He starts off the season on a very, very good footing. Lovely footing, and there's not much more we could say. I didn't even bring up the stats. But anyways, move away from Ravel Morrison. Let's go into now the man himself, the man with the hat-trick of an assist, Bobby Reid. People, one of those assists that I think is his second assist where he dropped a player on his back, left him for dead, move away, left him, and just slap the ball to the striker. Now, this performance is a man of the match performance. He received the man of the match award. Without a doubt. Listen, others feel they put up a very, very valiant chance. They start the start of the game. The first half of the game, I think it was like 1-1 in the first half. But in the second half, what's happening here? Yes, in the second half, the game take a different toll when the Fulham team turn it up a different notch. And it was exciting. It was a very, very exciting game. Six goals in 1 game. That is a lot. Now let's go into Bobby Reid's stats for this game in particular. I'm not seeing what is happening here. Okay, good. Oh, all right. So this is Bobby Reid's heat map and on a performance scale. As I said, man of the match performance, people, without a doubt, without a doubt, man of the match performance. Um, Guys, please remember to smash the like button. Please remember, if you're enjoying the show so far, please remember to smash that like button. I would totally appreciate it if you do so. So definitely, let's get into the stats. Let's run into the stats. Total 90 minutes played, 3 assists, kicking off the season on a flying start. 40 touches. He attempted 27 passes, completing the game with 24 passes, and that's an 89% passing accuracy. He made 3 key passes, as you know, 3 assists, but those 3 key passes, I think out of those 3 key passes, only one of those led to a goal. He attempted 3 long balls, 2 completed, two big chances created. Exactly, 2 big chances created, which is very, very good. 3 key passes, 2 big chances created. That's good. 1 shot on target, 1 shot off target. Dribble attempts 5, completing 3 of those. Ground duels 8, completing 4 of them, and aerial duels 2, completing 1. He lost possession 6 times, which is minimal to the amount of time that how active he was throughout the game. He committed 2 fouls, and he was fouled once, and he was dribble passed once. So these are exceptional stats. I mean, it was a star-studded performance from Bobby Reid. There's nothing more could have done more than give him the man of the match award. There's nothing else you could have done about that. Definitely, people, and well done again, Bobby Reid. Now let's go over. We're gonna move over now to the big man, another big man, another top reggae boy, Leon Bailey, making his debut in the Premier League. His debut in the Premier League, people. In the Premier League. And we all were talking about adaptation issues. Adaptation issues. That was the biggest talking point. Adaptation issues. But before I get to Leon Bailey's stats, what I want to do, before I get into Leon Bailey's stats, what I want to do, I'm going to show you guys the fans' reaction to Leon Bailey performance. What this is going to do is going to highlight to you guys what happened and what the fans feel about the player. It's not what I think. It's not how I believe or how good I think he plays. I'm giving you from the fans' perspective. That is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show it to you guys and tell you, highlight to you guys what the fans think of Leon Bailey. What the Aston Villa fans think of Leon Bailey. Then I'm going to go straight into the whole aspect of his performance. Now, as you guys, hopefully you guys are seeing what I have here. I'm hoping that you guys are seeing what I have here. No, George Shepherd at Shepherd George 1. Leon Bailey is going to be fundamental to a successful Villa season. Ben Wright said a doubtful opening 45 minutes. No Watkins lessons will have been learned. And we did improve second half, particularly with Troyer and the very exciting Leon Bailey. Now, these are good recommendations. Football fans, Garin said Leon Bailey has to be the first name on the team sheet next week. Looks very good when he came on. Let's go. Max said also, Max Garfield 2003, Leon Bailey is good at football. Debut assist Campbell at Leon Bailey. That's by Gibbidon. Someone was saying give the penalty to Leon Bailey. Positive, Leon Bailey looked great. That's from Kyle Picknell. So those are the fans' reaction, people. So let's move away from the fans' reaction. Let's give an analytical breakdown of what Leon Bailey did and his performance. Now let's get into the stats and let's see what his stats racks up to show, or does his stats really reflect to what the fans are seeing or to what the eye test is saying. Now, some of the times, you know, eye test is normally best backed up with stats. Now let's get into it. 30 minutes played, came on the 68th minute. He had 1 assist, a lovely piece of an assist. He picks it up, dribble past the man, bring him on the left, then put the ball on the right, bring it back to his left foot and looks up, put the ball straight in. And he scored by the midfield. I think it was El Ghazi. I can't remember. I won't even call the name. But I love. Let me let me find who scored. I have to find who scored. McGinn. Yes, McGinn. Lovely assist there from Leon Bailey. Whip the ball right across the pitch, inside of the danger area, and McGinn just one time it inside the back of the net. No, he had one shot off target. He had one shot block. He also kicked the free kick. The free kick. It didn't much look good, but in the same sense, it shows that they have confidence in Leon Bailey to give him that particular free kick. Dribble attempt one, in which it was completed, and that's fun because he dribbled quite a few times, maybe about 3 or 4 times. He did take on quite a few players. He had 17 touches. He completed 4 out of 5 passes at 80%. One key pass. He attempted 3 cross. One was completed, and ground duels 5. Completed 3 of those. He lost possession 6 times, which is quite in the okay region. He was fouled once. Now, he also made 1 tackle. Now, this goes to show that this was his impact when he came onto the pitch. And all the Aston Villa fans are really, really excited about what Leon Bailey provided them. And they could have seen positive signs of what Leon Bailey will provide to them throughout this season. Now, remember that before Leon Bailey came to the league, there were questions being asked about adaptation, physicality. Will he be able to get going right away? And remember now, he's not fully fit because he's just coming out of isolation. He did not train with the team, a sufficient training session with the team. So we're talking about maybe a 70% fit Leon Bailey. What's going to happen when he hits a 90% or 100% fully fit? I think we're looking for good things from him. Trickery, pace, smart, intelligent movement. Looks dangerous. Each time he receives the ball, it looks dangerous, looks exciting. Aston Villa fans are really, really drool and waxing lyrically about him. So it means that there's good times ahead of Leon Bailey, but also we should bear in mind that there will be bad games. That is an aspect of football, and we have to analyze it just as such people, just as though we're lauding him now for putting in a solid performance on his debut. Definitely, we'd have to also highlight when he does have a bad performance. So, no bad vibes, people. Solid performance from all 3 Reggae Boyz, Bobby Reid, Leon Bailey, and also Ravel Morrison. All of them putting themselves on this goal contribution sheet with assists. Now, it's just so funny that when we have these players in the Reggae Boyz team, people are saying that they're not good. They have so much fun saying that these guys are not good, but yet still, when they're playing for their clubs, they look so well. Coaching. I am telling you guys, that is a big coaching factor. So, people, thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the Military Guna TV. And definitely, this has been a good one. Enjoy day, people. And guess what? Peace out.